So we're going in. Look how pretty the sky is. It's almost May and it's still cold, cold, cold. Okay, so when we first come in, they have Find Your Perfect Gift for Mom. Look at these cute little Mommy and Me head wraps. Spa. They have all these different ones. Then they have these cute little mugs. So many different ones to choose from. Look at the ones with the little eyelashes. They even have your Nana, coolest grandma. They have these really pretty Mama Bear candles. And that's $5.99. These are so pretty. Then they have some wine glasses and they have ones with these little necklaces on that. Look how cute. That is really adorable. And that is only $6.99. This one has a beauty sleep mask. And this one is $6.99 as well. These are the other ones they have. This one has a necklace with the initial A. And then we have some wine glasses. Mama needs some wine. I definitely love that one. That one's $6.99. These ones are very pretty too. And again, down here, this one comes with the little earrings and necklace. And Mama needs a break. It's really cute. Again, $6.99. And then just get a bottle of wine to throw that in with your mom's gift. It's perfect. Look at this little mug manicure set. That is adorable. I love that. And that is $10. This one has some bath bombs with it. And let me see if that has a price. And that one is $6.99 as well. These are just adorable little gift sets I've never seen before. They also have little plaques. And they're so cute. Best mom ever. These ones are $4.99. And then they have the candles. Pretty flowers. They have little soaps. These are really cute. It's $3.99. The flowers are $10 and they are artificial. This is really cute. And this is only $4.99. So cute little thank you bath bombs for your mom. So they can relax and have some wine. Mom Fuel, Lavender Witch Hazel. This is $6.99. And then they have this little cute set with the lotions. It was $7.99. So a lot of different items for your mom. Let's head on over here because it looks like they have some more gifts on this side. So these are the makeup kits. It's really cute. Let's see. This one's $24.99. They have the after spa kits. And it's $12.99 as well. And 4-step skin routine. This one's $10. And this is really cute and pretty. Let me see if I can open it. It's got all the liquids. And this one is on sale for only $6.49. So what a great deal for that. And some pretty spring wreaths that you can give your mom. And more of the pedicure, manicure, spa sets. And get over to the pretty spring purses. Look at this cute little kitty cat. But mainly pinks. The cuddle buddies. They have grandma sets too for your nails. And more bath bomb fizzers. This is only $2.50. I think I'm gonna have to grab that one. Can't beat that price. Super cute. And this one is $6.99. And it's got everything in there all set up already. They have the little massagers. These are only $8.99. They're comfy. Look at these cute little best friend edition snuggle bunnies. Little sloths. These are $16.99. Again, the wreaths. And they have these cute little purses with the wallet, and it's only $24.99. Little spa set for $5.99. And then this one has the sleep mask. It has a candle in it and the headband. These are very pretty colors. This one is really cute too. Let me see if this one has a price on it. This is only $12.99. And then this one has the shower wrap and gel. This one's $10. So just really cute gift sets. Come out and get your friend one, your mom, your grandmom, your sister, or by yourself. Treat yourself. You deserve it. They have a lot of pretty spring colors. Kindness Matters. That is really cute. Also, Teacher Appreciation Week is coming up next week. So make sure to get your mom or your teachers or your grandmom some gifts. This one's at $20. Just gonna quickly go down this aisle. They have everything nice and color coded. So these are the pinks and purples. This cute little love one. This flower one is really pretty. This one's $20. And we have the purples. This one's $20 as well. And they have the red book bags and orange, yellow overnight bags. This guest one is nice. Let's see the tag. That one's $44.99. And then we have the blues and the browns. Super, super cute. So spring and summer is coming. We have the flip-flops, many different brands and colors. Really cute. And the prices like from $10.99. This one's $8.99. They have these cute little butterfly ones, and the Roxy ones. We have ones with the rhinestones on them, so $10. They have purple and white as well. And then the really blingy bling ones are $15. And they have your fuzzy ones, more rhinestones. These are $11.99. And then just the plain colored slip-ons. Tommy Hilfiger. Those are a little more. They're $15.99. And they have Mickey Mouse for any Mickey Mouse lovers. And those are only $10. Again, I always love their shoes, that they're always nice and coordinated and everything is just perfect. These caught my eye. These are really cute. I really love the detail and the color in these, and they're like leather. They're $24. Size 5, they're not my size. I wish they were, but so cute. But they do have sandals, slip-on shoes. They still have some boots on clearance too. They're $10. But everything is by size and pretty much color. And let me see. Prom's coming up. They have these pretty shoes, and they're only $17.99. So it's not gonna break the bank. For all you nurses or just wanna be comfortable, these are only $20. Look at these cute little cactus ones. Those are $24.99. And some more dress shoes, plain black ones, more glitter, just simple and comfy. So, same thing, just going up a different size. These are nice little sandals. And then they have some summer dresses and spring dresses. So let's see which new ones that they hung up. We got the yellows, Calvin Klein. Those are $30. Pretty, pretty flower ones. They range from $18 to $24. Little baby doll dress ones. Pink. So perfect for that Mother's Day brunch. And then we have the bras, 2 for $10. Or 3 for $15, or I'm sorry, 3 for $20. Very bright, pretty colors. I've gotten some bras from here, and they are comfortable, and you can't beat that price. So I wanted to check out some of the sleepwear. That's a really nice gift too for Mother's Day. Look at this cute little pineapple one. It's nice and silky soft. It's only $12.99. They have Juicy Couture boxers for $10.99. They have this nice soft robe $20. This one has little smiley faces on it, Joe Boxer. And those are $12.99. They have the nice silky sets. Those are $20. More fruit. Let me go on this side. This is cute. See a price on that one. But a lot of fun fruit colors. This one's $15. And they have, this one has the shorts and the tank top and the little jacket for $15. So you can't beat that. It's always a great idea to have some cozy pajamas. This one says Queen on it. Let me get the price, and that's only $10.99. So it's really cute, and it comes with the pants. There's some cute dresses for the kids here. This really fancy one is $20. This cute little jumper that comes with the top of her, that's $11.99. This is a Guess two-piece one for only $12.99. This is a really cute unicorn jumper. That's $12.99. So they have a lot of different outfits, and they're so cheap. And they even have some new sandals and Crocs out for the girls. Look at these little LOL ones. My daughter would love them. They're only $10. They have the Nautica water shoes for $10.99. And then they have Hurley. And then these ones are the Crocs that are insulated. Those are $12.99. And they have all color coordinated. Look how cute these little sandals are. They have sizes from infant, newborn, all the way up to the adult, older kids. These are adorable too, these little mermaid ones. These are only $12.99. They're nice and soft. Perfect for the beach. If you have a communion coming up or a little spring daddy-daughter dance, they have such cute sandals, and everything's under $20. It's a really, really cute deal. Oh, they have some beach hats too, or spring hats. Look at these. This one has little cat ears on it. These are adorable. So this one is $7.99. And let's see if this one has a price. They're both $8. They have these cute little backpacks. They are adorable. And they even have the boy ones too. My son loves Mario. That one would be so cute for him. Baby blankets. Look at these little newborn. These are so adorable for photo ops. $12.99. Just so cute. Look at this little headband and the little booties to match. That's adorable. These caught my eye. These Piggy Banks. I love Piggy Banks. This is only $12.99, and that is humongous. Super cute. Let's just check down here. Anybody having babies? Are you looking for a gift? Look at these fun little play mats. I have never seen those before. They didn't have them a couple years ago when my son was born, but they're so soft and cozy. Let me see. This is only $10.99. That is so cute. And then they have the elephants, and we have a pink one, cute little carriage, and unicorn. Those are so adorable. Look at the little koala set. This whole little set with the mobile. Let's see, is there a price on it? I don't see a price. But super cute. And then they have a little owl and raccoon one. These caught my eye for the room. Look how cute this little flamingo is. This is $26. This cute little You Are My Sunshine bench. That is really cute. And I don't see a price on that one. They have a rainbow one and these cute little lamps to go with it. These little couches. And then they have laundry baskets. And then the bed sheets, twin ones. They're only $29, and they have the sheets and the comforter. They have these soft blankets, which I love. And they're only $12.99. They have a tulip one, a tie-dye leopard print one. This one's really cute. This one's only $10.99. And the butterfly one, just the very pink one. Another tie-dye and rainbow. Really, really cute. So some of them are 10, some of them are 12, and 15. On the way out, they have these little tea sets. This is a cute little gift too. These are $5.99, and they have little succulent plants and different candles. This one is really cute with the elephant. It's only $6.99. The XOXO one. They have some jewelry, again, Mother's Day. They have cute little bracelets here. Different ones. This one says Best Mom. So much little jewels on it, and it's only $8.99. So those are really cute. Different varieties. Ear crawlers. Look at these little bumblebee ones. So different styles here. Definitely come check it out. They have nice little watches, colorful ones. Little earrings, hoops. These are really cute. So I hope you liked all the Mother's Day and spring decor that I found. I grabbed some of the bath bombs, and I'm gonna go back in because I forgot my wallet and get some Mother's Day gifts because they are super cute, super cheap, and really fun. I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great day.